I just want to jump on here and make a quick video about the things you'll need for your Skoolie conversion. So as you're thinking about it and planning towards it, you're going to want to plan on having these things. The first thing you'll need is a good attitude. There's a ton of problem solving in the Skoolie build because there's no right way to do it. There's a bunch of people who've done it before. You could watch YouTube videos, but really there's a ton of trial and error and a lot of error. And so you just have to be ready for that. It's going to take longer than you thought. It's going to be harder than you thought. It's going to be frustrating. But in the end, it's worth it. So bring a good attitude. Number two thing you'll need before you convert your school bus is a place to park it. You can't buy a bus and then just park it on the street and hope you don't get towed. We parked it in our yard. We don't have an HOA, so that's great. I know there's some garages that you can rent to convert your school bus, or if you know someone with a big backyard or something, just got to plan on where you're going to park it. Number three thing you'll need is some friends. It helps to have lots of hands, so start making friends now. Go to church, do something, join a club, and tell everyone about what you're doing. People are excited to do something fun, and if it's ripping seats out of a school bus or coming over to break some stuff, usually people are willing. It's just good to feed them and show them that you appreciate them. The last thing you'll need, or last things I guess, are some tools. I'm a big fan of not buying stuff, so if you know someone, if you have a father or a grandfather with tools, you'll definitely need a good amount of tools to get this done. You won't need a level though, because your bus is never going to be sitting quite level, so you can throw that away. But you'll need a measuring tape, you'll need a drill, you'll need a skill saw, you'll need a jigsaw, you'll need a chop saw, you'll need a circuit tester. What else will you need? You'll need an angle grinder, you'll need a crowbar. Any type of tool that you could think of, you're probably gonna need. You'll need good drill bits to drill into the metal. I broke so many drill bits during the conversion, it's not even funny. But yeah, make good friends with your local Home Depot or order a bunch of stuff on Amazon. I'll have links to everything that I think you should get. But honestly, Craigslist or just a good friend who's willing to let you borrow some stuff is really the way to go. So if there's anything else that you think that I missed, let me know in the description. We can start a little chat down there. And yeah, have fun with your Skoolie conversion. Go make some friends, go have some fun, break some stuff, and get after it.